What's going on, guys? Thank you for coming back to my channel. My name is EJ Pelera. I'm a filmmaker from the Philippines, and in this channel we'll be talking about the principles of filmmaking, photography, and also we'll be going over some gear. I really like technology, and yeah, thank you for coming back, and please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and welcome back to my video. Today we'll be talking about my computer for editing, which is the Razer Blade 2020. This is the base model and it comes with a 2060 graphics card. I'll put the specs up here, but today we're just going to be talking about like what I like about this laptop, what I don't like about this laptop, and how this laptop has helped me throughout using it every day as my daily driver. And let's go ahead and go over things that I like about this laptop after using it for a couple months. So I've had this laptop since July 2020 and I have been using it almost every day for my work and also for fun. Like, I like to game on the side, like when I don't have any projects going on, I like to game, and this laptop has given me that, which you will not get in like a MacBook or something. I really like the design of this laptop. I like that it's very thin compared to like other gaming computers. It's very thin. I think Razer is like marketing it as the thinnest laptop in the world for gaming. And I believe that because I've looked through like the internet looking for a brand that I like, because I am coming from an Apple computer. I had the MacBook Pro earlier this year and I sold that. I went to this laptop because I really want to try out the different games that is out there on Steam. So that's one of the main reasons I got this laptop. And another reason is that the MacBook that I had was very slow when it comes to After Effects, and After Effects is something that I want to try out in the future. And this laptop has helped me. Like, it doesn't really lag a lot when you are using it for After Effects or Premiere. I'll be doing a separate video on the performance and be testing out like different codecs and different effects on the laptop. So I really like that it's slick and like tiny in size. I also really like, I don't know, I like this keyboards for some reason. Like, I had the butterfly keyboard on the MacBook. That's probably why I hate it. Like, after only a couple months, like the space bar and stuff like that got destroyed in my laptop, my MacBook. But this one is really good. There's a lot of ports. Like, you can connect anything to this laptop. Like, it has a big HDMI port over here and also USB ports, which is so good. Like, you don't have to bring dongles anymore. Yeah, when it comes to performance, I don't really have any complaint with this laptop. Like, it edits 4K footage like a beast, like 8K footage like a beast. But the things that I don't like comes with the physical aspects of the laptop. I don't like the charger that it came out with. The charger is very large when you're bringing it around. I feel like it covers up most of my bag when I'm bringing it. I don't like the port that they have for the charger. I feel like Razer could have done a better job doing that. Or when you plug it in, you have to plug it in like in one way in order for you to use all the ports. Because if you plug it in the wrong way, you won't be able to use the Ethernet, and like the whole left side won't work if you plug it in differently. And I also don't like the matte finish on it. Like, black looks very good, but if Razer could use another material to make their laptops, then it would be very good. Like, I like the black finish, but man, that fingerprint magnet is just not working for me. I wish they would have made it easier to put a case on it, because like I already have some dents on this laptop and it's been like 4 months or something like that since June. It's pretty much all that I have for you guys right now. Most of my complaints is just like the physical aspects of the laptop. I mean, if you're just using this laptop as a desktop replacement that like you guys can take around everywhere you want, if you wanted to plug it out, then I would definitely recommend this laptop, but if you are in the market for a laptop that is like travel friendly, I don't recommend this laptop. Maybe you guys can check out the new M1 chip MacBooks or something like that, but yeah, I don't really recommend this laptop for travel videographers, because number one, you have to plug it in order for it to like work properly. It won't, like, I don't think the GPU, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I don't think the graphics cards would work that as good if it's not plugged in. Premiere is not that good if you're editing on the go without it being plugged into the wall. So that's something, if you guys are concerned about that, that's pretty much my review of this laptop, and hopefully you guys have learned something about the Razer Blade 2020. I would highly recommend if you want to play games. But if you're just like solely a video editor, I would check on the new M1 chips, because I've seen a lot of reviews about that and they're very, very good and fast.